Hello everyone, I'm Daphne Fort and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will react to Rainbow V episode 2. I already reacted to their episode 1, so if you want to see that, I will drop the link in the description box below. Okay, without further ado, let's start this now because I am very curious about this project of Wavy. I love the thumbnail, by the way. Okay, start. Here you go, 10, episode 2. Members choose the song after the first meeting. Okay? Note, meet up the teammates. They're already divided into 3 groups. I guess the first team is Winwin and Tan, then another team for Xiaojun and Kun, then the rest of the members in another group. And I already reacted to their output of this project, the Tan and Winwin lovely dance choreography. Ah, okay. Winwin is begging for Tan to be his teammate. Aww. Ah, okay. Okay, this is the story behind that viral video of them. Okay. Oh.
Modern dance contemporary.
Contemporary, yes. Oh, I love this.
I want to try. 我想做一做。
你有什么喜欢的音乐？
Oh my god, my lips are so dry. I need to be hydrated. It's too aggressive. Yeah, too aggressive for a contemporary dance. And at the end, they decided to choose the Billie Eilish lovely song, Feat Khalid. Oh, sad feeling. Dan is a genius. I'm not kidding. Okay. That's already the lovely song, right? I like that song. Ooh. Lovely. Okay. Oh my lord. So if you want to see my reaction to their to their lovely dance choreography, I will drop the link in the description box below. Yeah. Yes. You got it right. Okay. I'm excited to another groups.
为了 win-win， 我们圈了这个歌。
Okay, lovely.
Okay, let's go, bro. Let's go. Just get it.
Okay, I forgot the title of the song that Kun and Xiaojun choose, but it's a Chinese song. Red Lantern? I'm sorry. I don't want to mess anything here, so I will just keep quiet. Okay.
还是冷天，其实我想唱点稍微暖一点，悲伤一点。悲伤。
Oh, okay.
我们这是历史期间常用的，对，这个太帅。
already reacted to their output of this project. So if you want also to see that reaction of mine, I will drop the link in the description box below. Dun, 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 dun. We are having fun. Xiaojun looks so excited. I like the eyebrows of Xiaojun. My god. It's very dark. Did you see those eyebrows? My goodness. Khalil Hong. Ah, okay. That's the title of the song. What did I say earlier? Red Lantern? My god, I'm so idiot. Oh! The voice of Kun is killing me right now. Oh, Red Bean! Ah, yeah! That's a mashup song, right? Red Bean and Khalil Fong. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm researching the title of those songs that Kun and Xiaojun perform. Ah, Red Bean and Khalil Fong. Okay. Mashup songs. Okay. They're so relaxed. My god. I want to learn how to speak Mandarin. Mandarin sounds so sexy. Do you agree with me? They're so cute. Those smiles. Very authentic. Okay. Here's another group. Lucas. That's Xiaojun, right? Ah, Xiaojun is disturbing another group. Okay. He went away. Okay. The last group. The members are Hendari, Yang Yang, and Lucas. And I guess Wavy official YouTube channel didn't release their performance yet, their output of this project, right? Okay, let me see. Okay, not yet. Only 10 and Win-Win choreography and Kun and Xiaojun song cover. Okay? Post Malone. Oh! Okay. Hip hop dance. Oh my lord! Yes. And I guess they will do some rap. It's Post Malone, by God. And Lucas is a very good rapper. Yang Yang is a rapper? Oh my god, I forgot. I guess yes, right? Yes. Lu Henyang. Lu Henyang. Yes, definitely. So, it's your time to do some, self-producing outputs. That's Yang Yang, right? Oh! Okay. Lucas is so energetic now. Oh, okay. I really adore those reactions of Lucas. Okay, that's Lucas. Okay, run away. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I didn't see that coming. Okay? So bubbly. Okay, next is Yang Yang. Okay. Oh! Ah! Oh no, he can do that? Amazing. It hurts. It hurts because I cannot do that. But for Yang Yang, it's easy for him. Okay, Hindari. Hindari, right? Okay, it's Hindari. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. I am so loud. Oh, oh, they're just having fun. I hope they can produce a very good output. Ah! They are so good. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's the end for episode 2. Oh, I love that.
拟声字，对。好，我们这样5、4、3、8。
Okay. Wow. Okay, guys. I hope that you love my reaction for this episode 2. If you like my reaction, please like this video. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button now because I do lots of NCT reactions here. And see you on my next reaction to Wavy Rainbow V episode 3. Annyeong!